y'all.
Nigga grown on my own. I've been paying bills, saving still, said no to a major deal. I take what's real. Hard working, cause stagnant's a thing I hate to feel. So every verse and every song with every bar I aim to kill. Groupies say to chill, I'm with it if you got it. We at the crib and we sippin', I hit it, then kick the rowdy. If I'm with this, it's cloudy. If I'm with Eric, it's rowdy. If I'm with action, it's cracking. I'm stabbing, nobody doubt me, and I've been to it. But now we grown ups, gotta grow up. They show up when my shows up, get sold out. And you know what? That's cool shit. Achievements I look back as I surpass it. But never forget the first time that it happened. And as I'm on the road, I'm loving this busy life that I chose. I'm doing everything I want before a nigga get too old. I take pictures with my fans, I'm happy in my smile shows. I tell my mama that I got it cause she happy now I'm ground.
With the phone in my ear, sound of my mother's voice so consoling to hear. As I get older, it seems like more and more every year. She's becoming less of a mother and more of a peer. We be talking about my